Hi everyone, my name is Mr. Ryan, and welcome to Pre-K Story Time. Today we're going to be reading Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson. I like this story. I picked this story now because it's spring now, and a lot of bears are waking up from their winter rest, which we call hibernation. Every year, bears go to sleep for a long time, and then they wake up in the springtime feeling nice and refreshed and go about their day. So this is a story about bears and hibernation and about making friends as well. It's called Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson. Let's go ahead and see about our bear. I should also mention that this is a sing-song story with lots of rhymes. So we're going to be having a lot of fun, and it's going to sound really nice when we put it all together. Here we go. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Can anyone find the bear? I think he's right here. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. Look at that sleepy bear. The cold winds howl, whoo, and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. Go ahead and snore with me, it's fun. Oh, who's this? An itty-bitty mouse. Pitter, pat, tiptoe. Creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dark, too dank. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. And he's got himself a little mousy fire, huh? The mouse is nice and cuddly up in the cave. The coals pip-pop, and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Snore with me! Ooh, but what's this? Two glowing eyes, sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And the hare pops in. "Oh, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. I think they're making popcorn and hot tea. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear, what about the bear? The bear snores on. Very good. Ooh, and who's this? A badger. A badger scuttles by. Sniff, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share," he says. "I've brought honey nuts," he says. Badger says with a grin, "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." That's nice, everyone's bringing something. And they nibble, and they munch, with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear, what about the bear? The bear snores on. Very good snoring. Ooh, what's this? A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. There's a lot of friends here, huh? Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" Twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. Wow, that's quite a party. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on! In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. It's winter. Hare strokes the fire, mouse seasons still. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear. Who knows what you do when you got a little pepper in your nose? You go, achoo! You sneeze, right? He blows and he sneezes. Choo! And the whole crowd freezes. Stop right there. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun. But me? I was sleeping and I have had none. And he whimpers and he moans. He wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. But Mouse squeaks. He says, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see? We can pop more corn. We can brew more tea." Bear gulps. Bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. Very good. Thanks all for joining me today for this lovely story, Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson, and illustrated by Jane Chapman. I love this story. It's about friends, and it's about napping, and it's about sleep. So remember, it's always good to have friends, but if you stay up all night, you're probably going to be a little sleepy the next day. In any case, I'm so glad you guys could all join us. Please consider checking out some of our other awesome videos. We have a couple other Karma Wilson stories. We have a couple other Mo Willem stories. And we keep this channel regularly updated as well. If you're also interested, I encourage you to go to veronalibrary.org/children. I've been Mr. Ryan, and I'm so glad you could all join us today. I hope you're all staying healthy and warm and safe and making the best of yourselves. Bye, everyone. Thanks for coming. Bye-bye.